Welcome back to Bike Studio. Today we're checking out one of the most trusted commuter motorcycles in the 125 cubic centimeters category, the 2026 Honda Shine 125. This bike has always been known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, and for 2026 Honda has refined it even more to meet modern riding needs while keeping things simple and practical. Starting with the design, the 2026 Honda Shine 125 looks clean, mature, and premium for a daily commuter. Honda has kept the classic Shine identity but added sharper graphics, a more stylish fuel tank, and improved paint quality. The chrome touches and sleek body panels give it a balanced look that appeals to both young riders and office commuters. The seat is long and well cushioned, making it comfortable for long city rides as well as short highway trips. Under the tank, the Honda Shine 125 is powered by a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that focuses more on smoothness and efficiency rather than raw power. The engine feels refined, vibrations are minimal, and the power delivery is very linear. Whether you're riding in traffic or cruising at moderate speeds, the Shine feels calm and stress-free. Honda's fuel injection system helps in better throttle response and improved mileage, which is a big plus considering today's fuel prices. Speaking of mileage, this is where the Shine really shines. The 2026 model is expected to deliver excellent fuel economy, making it one of the most economical bikes in its class. This makes it a perfect choice for daily office use, students, and anyone looking to reduce running costs without compromising on quality. In terms of features, Honda has added a modern touch with a semi-digital instrument cluster, showing important information clearly. The bike also comes with improved braking performance, better suspension tuning for rough roads, and a very light clutch that makes city riding effortless. Handling is stable, and the bike feels very predictable, even for new riders. Overall, the 2026 Honda Shine 125 is not about flashy performance or aggressive styling. It's about trust, comfort, and long-term ownership peace of mind. If you want a reliable 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle that delivers great mileage, smooth performance, and Honda's proven durability, the Shine 125 is definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Studio for more honest bike reviews.